Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose a, b are non-negative and x, y are positive such that the sum of a and b is 1 and the product of x, y is 1. We are asked to find the minimum value of x over 4a plus 15 plus 4y squared over b plus 2. We're going to get the minimum value using two techniques. One is AMGM inequality and the other one is Cauchy inequality. First, we'll try to look at it using AMGM inequality. First of all, we write J as the expression as given here. Without the first term, x over 4a plus 15. For the second terms, since xy equals 1, 4y squared becomes 4 over x squared. Since a plus b equals 1, b plus 2 becomes 3 minus a. Now here is an important step. We separate x over 4a plus 15 into two equal parts. Each one is x over 2 4a plus 15. And second term, just copy down. This is because we want to use AMGM inequality and to cancel the term in x. So now we have three terms. It will be greater than or equals to 3 multiplied with the product raised to the power 1 over 3. So as you can see, this will be x squared 4a plus 15 squared multiplied with 4x squared 3 minus a, and x squared can be cancelled off. Now what we have here, it is 3. So in this case, we are not going to cancel the 4. So put 4 in the numerator and put the 4 inside the second factor, become 12 minus 4a. Now in order to get the minimum value of j, we need to get the maximum value for 4a plus 15 squared times 12 minus 4a. So we need to find what is the maximum of this. That 4a plus 15 over 2 plus 4a plus 15 over 2 plus 12 minus 4a. Consider these three terms and using AMGM inequality, we get this is greater than or equals to 3. The product to the power of 1 over 3. So this will be 4a plus 15 squared over 4 times 12 minus 4a. We can see that this is actually equals to 4a over 2 and 5 over 2 is 4a minus 4a cancel off. So we have 15 plus 12, that is 27. So actually 27 equals to the expression in the second row, which will be greater than or equals to whatever in the third row. So meaning that 4a plus 15 squared times 12 minus 4a over 4 will be less than or equals to 9 to the power of 3. So we continue with what we have just now, and therefore this will be greater than or equals to 3, 1 over 9, and meaning that this will be 1 over 3. So now we know that j is at least 1 over 3. We need to see whether the equality holds. So there are two inequalities involved here. So we will look at this and see when the equality holds. So for this case, equality holds if and only if 4a plus 15 over 2 equals 12 minus 4a. After solving the linear equation, we get a equals to 3 over 4. And for this, equality holds if and only if x over 2 4a plus 15 equals 4 over x squared 3 minus a. And since eventually equals 1 over 3, meaning that each one equals 1 over 9. And also remember a equals to 3 over 4. So we will have x over 2, this is 18, 1 over 9. So meaning that x equals to 4. So we can conclude here that equality holds if and only if x equals to 4 and a equals to 3 over 4. Therefore, the minimum of j is indeed equals 1 over 3. So this is end of the presentation using AMGM inequality. Let's consider the method using Cauchy inequality. Again, this is j. We will write this as x over 4a plus 15 plus 16y squared over 4b plus 8. So that we can make sure of the condition a plus b equals 1. So using Cauchy inequality, we know that 4a plus 15 plus 4b plus 8 times j greater than or equals to square root of x plus 4y, the whole thing squared. On the left hand side, that is 4 of a plus b plus 23. For the right hand side, we can write as square root x over 2 plus square root x over 2 plus 4y. And left hand side, 27j. And right hand side, that is actually greater than or equals to, using AMG inequality here, 3, then holding the power 1 over 3. Square root x over 2, square root x over 2, and 4y. And note that this is xy, and therefore this will be a 9. So 27j greater than or equals to 9, j will be greater than or equals to 1 over 3. So actually for this method, we are actually missing the AMGM and Cauchy inequality. So there are two techniques involved. So for this one, the equality holds if and only if square root x over 2 equals 4y. And since the final answer is 3, meaning that everyone has to be equal to 1. So xy has to be equals to 4 and 1 over 4. And the other equality holds if and only if x over 4a plus 15 squared equals 16y squared over 4b plus 8 squared. And now we know that x has to be equal to 4 and y equals to 1 over 4. So that is 4a plus 15, and this is 4b plus 8, both sides square. So this turns out that without the square, this will be just equals to 2. So after we solving this, we get AB equals to 3 over 4 and 1 over 4. So with this, again, we conclude that the minimum of j is indeed equals 1 over 3, and the equality holds if and only if x equals to 4, y equals to 1 over 4, and a equals 3 over 4, b equals to 1 over 4. That's all for today's discussion. Hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know which method you prefer in the comment. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.